The competition in the world of premium tablets is intensifying, and Samsung has always been at the forefront of innovation, offering devices that balance both power and performance. The Galaxy Tab series has long been the flagship line for Samsung's high end tablets, and after the success of the Galaxy Tab S9 Ultra, all eyes are now set on the upcoming Galaxy Tab S10 Ultra. Expectations are sky high, and if the rumors are true, we are in for an incredible ride. In this video, we'll dive deep into everything we know so far about the Galaxy Tab S10 Ultra, its leaked features, design changes, and what makes it stand out from the competition. Samsung is well known for its industry-leading displays, and the Galaxy Tab S10 Ultra won't disappoint. One of the most talked about upgrades for this device is its massive 14.6-inch Super AMOLED display, rumored to offer an even higher refresh rate of 120 Hz, providing ultra-smooth scrolling, gaming, and video playback. The large screen real estate will undoubtedly make it one of the best tablets for multitasking and creative tasks like video editing or graphic design. The Galaxy Tab S10 Ultra is rumored to feature Samsung's new Exynos 2400 processor or possibly Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset, depending on the region. Both of these chips are expected to deliver top-tier performance, making this tablet a powerhouse for both productivity and gaming. Regardless of the processor, you can expect up to 16 gigabytes of RAM in the top-tier model, which will make it one of the most powerful tablets on the market. There are also rumors suggesting that Samsung may include micro SD card support, allowing users to expand storage even further. Samsung has always been at the forefront of innovation when it comes to integrating smart technology into its devices, and the Galaxy Tab S10 Ultra will likely feature Samsung's latest advancements in AI. Samsung is expected to include a large battery in the Galaxy Tab S10 Ultra, possibly around 11,200 mAh, which would ensure all-day usage, even with the larger display and higher refresh rates. The tablet is also expected to feature 45 watts fast charging. The Galaxy Tab S10 Ultra will likely retain the dual front-facing cameras, allowing for ultra-wide-angle selfies and 4K video calls. Samsung could also introduce enhanced AI features in the camera app, allowing for better image processing, especially in low-light conditions. Now, industry insiders suggest that Samsung might unveil the tablet at a dedicated October 2024 event. Rumors suggest that it could start at around $1,199 for the base model, with higher configurations costing significantly more. The Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 Ultra is shaping up to be one of the most exciting tablet releases of 2024. With its massive display, enhanced productivity features, dual USB-C ports, and AI integration, it's clear that Samsung is targeting professionals, creatives, and power users with this device. Drop a like if you enjoyed this deep dive, and I'll see you in the next video.